Miss Janet Alawis.
Congratulations!
Congrats!
Please come up on stage. Okay. Congratulations po. Thank you. Next up, top 38 FL member, Miss Ellen Martin. Congratulations.
Award!
Lagi na lang, taon-taon na, taon-taon. Iba talaga pag hard work.
Nakadalawang milk na ako. Meron doon. Ang sarap sa Sunday.
Top 37 FL member, Miss Michael
Oh,
Pastor.
900 ah.
Congratulations, Miss
900.
Margaret's Basketball. Number 47 ako noon, 1-2. Malaki noon.
Very queen of Austin today.
Diyos ko naman, bakit?
Nanalo!
Top 36 FL member, Miss Nipa
May
Ramos.
award!
Congratulations, Miss Nick Paragraph.
Congratulations.
Ayan, tinatawag na ang mga top.
Congratulations. Next up, top 35 FL member, Miss Susana
Ayan.
Manahan.
Congratulations, Miss Susana Manahan.
Miss Batman. Batwoman. Wow. Thank you. Congratulations. Moving to our top 34 FL member is Jignarin Ako.
Congratulations, Miss Declaring Japo.
Congratulations.
At least, sa hardwork. Talaga, basta meron nila, may set nila. Hardwork. Muna sa ilalim, bago nila. Picture na ba? Picture na ba?
Good. Thank you and congratulations. Okay, top 33 FL member, Miss Pearly Flor Gomez. Unfortunately, she's not here. Moving on, top 32 FL member, Miss Jelma Levanta.
Congratulations, Miss Jelma Levanta.
Congrats! Please come up on stage. Really hard to pick the correct person.
Ayan, yung mga top ay tinatawag na yung mga top, may mga rewards sila.
Congratulations.
May mga rewards.
Next up, top 31 FL member, Miss Gina Lynn Butale.
Congratulations, Miss Declaring Vitale.
Please come up on stage.
Mga top 1, mga top. Yung maraming, yung mga ano nila, yung mga ipinapasok
Thank
ng
you.
mga
Next
ano
up,
nila.
top 30 FL member, Miss Lilia Alma.
Congratulations, Miss Lydia Palma.
Dito po ba siya? Wala po, okay. Moving on to our top 29 FL member, Miss Maribik Ababaw.
Maribig Ababaw. Congratulations.
Wala rin po, okay. So, thank you all. Those are the top 50 to 29 overall FL members. Congratulations again.
Free.
Palakpakan naman po
Ayan,
sa mga
free.
top 50 to 29 po. And now we would like to present the top Indonesian MGMs. Cupid, please take it.
Okay, thank you Ren. So, mari kita panggil Miss Vivian untuk naik ke panggung bersama Ibu Saila untuk menyerahkan penghargaan. Oke, total ada 20 MGM Indonesia yang akan diberikan penghargaan dan dimulai dengan number 1. Top 20, 20 besar, Sulasmi.
Last
Kepada
meeting.
Mbak Sulasmi, silakan
Congratulations.
naik ke atas panggung. Mbak Sulasmi. She's not here. Oke. Berlanjut ke top 19, Chunia. Kepada Mbak Chunia, silakan
Mga
naik ke
Indonesia.
panggung.
Yeah. Oh, she's coming. Please give her a round of applause.
Ayan, thank you for watching. God bless. Bye bye.
Selamat kepada Mbak Chunia sekali
To be
lagi.
continue tayo mamaya ulit.